Alright, let's get this good thing here out of the box. It comes wrapped in a cardboard box with all the fancy and colorful stuff on it. And then we have this case, what is zip tied. A recyclable plastic case with its name on it. That's very handy for this thing to carry around. Alright. So it's zip tied closed. I need to cut the zip tie off. Alright. There we go. And then let's open the bad boy. Plastic. Flimsy. That won't last long. Manuals in the lid. A battery. Look at this. 20 volts lithium. Heavy. There's 2 spots for it to put in here. So if you get a second battery, then here the tool. Looks good. The black material is like rubber. The red material is a plastic. And then the gray material is metal. This is where the battery goes. Okay, and then we have a charger. Yeah, like this one. Right. Let's zoom in. Has writing on it. Focus. There you go. So it shows how the LED signs work when you charge this thing, like status indicators. Right. Yeah, that's about it. There is a button on the battery, as you can see here. When you push it, the lights come on. 3 red ones. That's how that looks like. Push on it, and you get 3 lights in red. At this point, I don't know if red is good or bad. So maybe we're going to charge this, and then we see what that means. I can imagine they ship with fully charged batteries. Usually when you store them, you want to have 1/3 of a charge. Alright, so you push here, there's a little light in there. And it's doing its trick. Both directions. Alright. So those 2 red buttons on the sides here, if you push those in, then you can remove the battery. And I would say that's it for the unboxing. The manuals we have in the lid here. There's 2 manuals, one for the charger and one for the impact wrench itself. And I'm gonna untie this thing and then charge it up. See how that looks like.